Hi guys, in Google Play Store, in the top side there was an option of My Apps and Apps Update. So after the update had vanished, people are worried that where it is and they are not finding it. So it's quite simple. Simply click on the picture on the top right corner. Then you have first option, Manage Apps and Device. So just click on this. Then you will find here updates available. So you can see two options, Update All and See Details. So in update all apps will be updated, but if you want to see which app you want to update, simply click on see details, and then you can simply click on the update to update any selected app, or you can update all apps together while clicking on the green portion, update all. And there is one more option, manage, on the right side. If you click this, then it will show up all your app. So simply you can select any app and click on the top right corner, delete, to uninstall any app. So this is how you can easily update your app or uninstall.